Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change text font on Adobe Express. So first things, you need to log in here, then open up a design. So I open up a landscape design, and this is example purpose only. Then add a text. So I want to just click on text, add your text. Then you can see, just click on here, then just click on this menu. So here is a lots of things available here. If I keep it here, then there, then go to another one, this one. But if you don't like it, go to another one. So here is the free and paid available. So this is a free, but if I going to another one, this is a paid. So this is a method you can change font type. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.